Do you want to learn how to make your own galaxy slime? Let's craft it. So, here's what you'll need. Some glue, some baking soda, some contact solution, different kinds of food coloring depending on the color you want, different kinds of sparkle depending on what you want, a bowl to mix everything up in, and some water. The more water you add, the stretchier it will be. Here's what to do. First, you'll take about half a cup of glue and pour it into the bowl. Then you're going to add a little bit of water. Remember, the more water, the stretchier it is. Next, you're going to add about 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Now we add the contact solution. I didn't measure how much contact solution you need. It basically just goes by feel. Now we need to add some food coloring. So where I'm making the galaxy slime, I decided to start with black for the base of your slime. But you can choose whatever color you want. And then you just mix it up with your hands. So you're going to keep mixing up together until it starts to form a bit of a ball and then it stops sticking to your hands. If it keeps sticking, then you just need to add a little bit more contact solution until it stops sticking. Now it's time to add the glitter. As much glitter or as little glitter as you want. We want to make the glitter look like it's stars in the sky. So I wanted to use a lot of glitter. And see? Pretty cool. Now, if you're making the galaxy slime, you want to repeat these steps with different colors so that you can have different colors in your slime. So I'm making a pink, a blue, and I also made a purple color. But you can put in a yellow or a teal, whatever colors you like. Once you have all your colors made, now it's time to make it look like a galaxy. So gather all your colors together in one bowl. Then you're going to mix them together. So pull each of them nice and long and then start twisting the slime over and over again and again, moving it through your fingers until you got something that looks pretty cool. And see, it kind of looks like you're in space. Okay, so you probably noticed that all this food coloring and playing around with the slime made my hands pretty messy. But not to worry, it will come off. It just might take a little bit of work. Here's a trick that you can use to help make your hands a little more cleaner. First, just wash your hands with soap and water. A good scrub will take a majority of the color off. Now here's the different part. Take a bowl, put a paper towel in it, then you're going to soak the paper towel with vinegar. You want the paper towel to be completely wet. Then you're going to rinse the remaining vinegar off and start scrubbing your hands with that paper towel. You may need to do a lot of scrubbing. Then wash your hands again with warm water, trying to get as much vinegar as you can off. Now we need to make a paste using baking soda and water. So pour some baking soda into a bowl, then you're going to add a little bit of water, just enough that the baking soda comes together and starts to form this kind of pasty-like substance. That looks pretty good. Then you're going to take it and rub it all over your hands, scrubbing every little bit that you can for as long as you can. Then you're going to wash that off your hands. Again, scrubbing as much as you can under warm water, trying to get as much of the food coloring as you can off. You can repeat these 2 steps as necessary. It may not come completely off, but it should look a whole lot better than when you started. And there you have it, your own homemade galaxy slime. Pretty cool, huh? So if you do decide to make your slime, I want to see you post some pictures in the comments below. And remember, stay safe, have fun, get messy. Bye!